Let's go over crude oil. Okay, so very simple. Here's your black market profile chart. I got on the mic this morning and said we are into a setup on crude oil. When it was right on high value area, I said we're right on HVA. Look for positive market delta for the pop. So good job, traders. Good job, Todd, Don, Reed. You're trading the method exactly how I want you to trade it. We have these solid lines on here. This is the most volume. The blue solid line right here is the control point. That's the most volume that's been traded since 1:30 this morning. The solid red line is high value area. That is derived from the control point. The green solid line is the low value area. That's also derived from the control point. So how you trade these solid, I got static high values and static low values that don't move and update periodically during the day. Then I got these solid lines, which is volume profile, that what it does, it updates as volume comes in the market. So what happens, how you trade these solid lines is this. It's going to move with price. These solid lines are going to move with price. But then what's going to happen is price is going to get away from these lines and they're going to start moving. They lock themselves in. Value has locked itself in the market. So as you can see, this big 5-minute bar went up. This line did not move with price. It stayed with price. That tells you to take the first retest long off of that level right there. Comes down within 2 ticks. Take the first retest long. Like I said on the microphone, we're right into high value. I'm looking for a positive market delta. It locked itself in. We're right on it. We had 203 positive market delta to pop you in the trade. Your fill was 80 to 81. Your stop loss was 13 ticks, $130 stop loss. And now we're all the way up to 46.16 going vertical. It's been positive market delta all the way up. All right. So just under a $400 trade per one contract, over 300, real easy on the way up. That's a fast moving market. But you want to let market profile set the trade up. That's key. You got to let market profile set it up. Let it break out. Make sure it doesn't go with it. When it retests, look for positive market delta. There's 203. Okay? 203, you wait for a closing basis on market delta. Now the cool thing with this runner is you look at the green. Positive market delta has been all the way up. We have not got one red market delta. You're going to know when the market weakens if it closes below the low of this body of this candle, which is open versus close. We have not had that yet. It's been positive market delta all the way up. There's not been one close below. There's not been one. It's been sitting higher highs all the way up. Body of the candle has been setting higher highs, all the way up. Not one negative market delta. Okay, so method very simple. Let market profile set it up. Let market delta pull you in. Okay, like I said, a lot of times you can be done by 9 a.m. in the morning. 3 out of 5 trading days during the week start at 7:30, 7:45 latest. Typically, you're done by 9 a.m. getting some good moves. All right, now let me go over one thing real quick too while we're doing this. Yesterday, I called a trade out, look for a corrective wave. Make sure I go over this while we're doing a video. We played yesterday's video. We had 3 beautiful back-to-back trades. Here they are. There's only 2 waves that we do in this room. We do a motive wave that's with 5-minute trend. That was this trade right here. See, 5-minute trend filters up. Let HVA break out. We don't sell high value. We'll let high value break out, retest. We're smarter than the average market profile trader where they just sell high value all the time. If the trend's up, we let high value break out, retest, then we go long. We get these big punches like that in the market. So we had yesterday, we had 2 motive waves, 2 big motive waves here and here. But then we had a corrective wave. This is a trade I talked about yesterday to watch out for. If we get back inside of high value, you can only take a corrective wave, which is a counter trend trade. If you get back inside of high value, which we did, the first retracement was here, and then the market got cranked all the way down. I sent those charts out the mail to you. So there's only two waves you need to learn. Motive wave is with 5-minute trend. It's very easy. Buy retracements of trend. Buy retracements of trend. Corrective wave, sell the first retracement, getting back inside a profile. So if you look at the trade today, trend filter up, trend filter up. So what you want to do is you want to buy retracement with trend. Let high value area break out. Let it retest. Look for positive market delta. Yeah, no problem, Jim. So that's really going to help you out in determining the wave patterns you look for. Okay? Gerald, go over to crude oil. I mean to gold, not crude oil. Go to gold. All right, look at gold. All right, coming into LVA. Now, we had a market delta here, and I want to show you something. There was a negative market delta on this shallow retracement here to 1330.50. The infancy of the trade is where you're going to see if the trade's going to work. The infancy of the trade. If you look at the shallow retracement, look how market delta turned in the infancy of the trade. Slide out with a small profit, small loss. Infancy of the trade. Because when market delta kicks in, it's going to continue. Look at the similarities between gold. I'm going to put in, go to crude oil, Gerald. Look at the similarities between gold and crude. All market delta sells on gold. All market delta buy side on crude. Check that out. Still negative on gold, right? So you're going to know right away if you need to stop yourself out at a small loss or let that puppy run using market delta. Gold is still negative market delta. You should be scaling here on this setup. So if you get into a shallow retracement and that turns within a few bars, you should slide out and take a small loss because it's probably going into another supported resistance level. You're going to know in the infancy of the setup if you're going to get a continuation just based upon major sell imbalance. This is negative minus 91 on gold. That's really huge. That was 2 times confluence that stopped it right there. If you get a shallow retracement like this, or it tries to roll over, and then you get positive market delta slide out, it's probably trying to take out the high and go into the next market profile. Market delta will guide you. Okay?